Hello everybody, my name is Chloe. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that have been inspired by a test a long time ago called the Wallace test. And in this test around 2013 to 2016, there are some scientists who do tests out of the lab. They do it outside. And a lot of people inside that experiment traveled all over 40 countries. And they all give like thousands of wallets that is clear so that other people can see what is inside. And inside the wallet are all with a key, some information cards, and the last one is $30. That's not a really big money to them, but for other people in some other country, that may be something big. And sometimes those scientists drop them in those streets, like some meters they would drop one. Yeah, maybe. And sometimes they also run into some places, like some people that staying at their house on the window. Those scientists could ask them to keep it for a while and go so that they can go to work. And in the first time, about 46 of the people keep the wallet for themselves. About 46. Like they keep them for themselves, but not giving them back. And 54% of those people that are getting caught have give the wallet back. And that's just the first test. Remember this test, all those people has the same amount of money inside the wallet. Yes, and also this test is not overwhelmed like anything, so that other people won't know that it's real. That it is just something that's just like a test, but not real. Okay? And the next one. The next time they see the result like that, and they also act as they dropped the wallet or they sent the wallet to someone. But that time there's also keys, also information cards, and all of those money have changed from just $30 to $100. And that was a lot. But you guess what? The result was shocking. Just 28% of the people inside that keep the wallet for themselves, but about 72% of them give it back. Why? Scientists just think that if the more money is inside a wallet, the more amount of people keep it for themselves. But they're wrong. Well, why is that true? Anyways, why? And they have done experiments of those people's feelings. People sometimes, if they steal a small amount of money like $30, that would kind of like be usual and that won't cause a lot. Like, that's okay. But there's when a person steal like 100% of those $100, that is really bad because that's a big amount of money, and just like they're stealing but not just taking money away, they're stealing a really bad way. And so those people think, oh, If I do this, then I wouldn't be an honest person. And not just because of that, that will affect a people's mental health or people thinking like, oh, if I take this, it means I'm going to steal away $100. And those people will be really sad or sometimes mad at the people who steal their own wallet too. So that is information that scientists have studied. And they all help us to go on a part that sometimes honesty can be changed by the amount. Yes, and you can see this around you a lot. Like if you give some person one candy, like maybe a stranger one candy, then they could be happy and they could take it. But if you give that person like $100, eventually they're strangers. That would be really strange, and those people feels like, oh, that is strange, really strange. So you see, these all happens around us, and that affects to a lot of kinds of times. Like, look, it is everywhere. Yes, so you see, this wallet test was just not some test that new and could be hard for the decision. Sometimes you can see these all around. Like sometimes you could see some person dropping a book that you really like. Or sometimes you can see people dropping a pen that looks really beautiful. Yes, or sometimes at my school, there's also kids that when they see those money around, they would pick it up and eat and use those money to buy things and to eat. But some kids would take that money, not eating for themselves, but to give them to the principal so that the principal could help to find the children who lost that amount of money. Sometimes you can see it at my school, like my friends drop like just 2,000 Vietnamese dong, and my friend was shouting, so she chatted for a little bit. It's kind of like near to her feet, so she don't think that there's gonna be any person to take that. But eventually, there's a boy under her age for about 2 ages. Like the boy is like in grade 2, and that boy have taken away the $2,000, and that was shocking because she don't even think that sometimes it can lose as fast as that. But sometimes when you're losing amount of money like $100, 100,000 dong at my place, those kids are really great. So you see, they also bring it up to the principal office and ask, who is this money is? And that was so sweet, right? So you see, a test like this is not hard to find. You can find it everywhere, and you could do this test too. I'll see you guys later.